Hello dear students, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve this equation 2 power 3x plus 2 power x equal 10 and we will find x. Since we know a power m into n equal to a power m into n, that is we can write 2 power 3x equal to 2 power x power 3. So we can write 2 power x power 3 plus 2 power x equal to 3. And here now we will put 2 power x equal to y. So this equation will become y cube plus y equal to 10. Now we will transpose 10 to left hand side so that y cube plus y equals 0. We will separate this middle term, y cube plus 5y minus 4y equal minus 10 equals 0. Y cube minus 4y plus 5y minus 10 equals 0. Now in these two terms, y will be taken as common. Here remains y cube minus 4 and plus we'll take 5 common. So become y minus 2 equals 0. Now y, this y square minus 2, 4 can be written as 2 square plus 5 y minus 2 equals 0. Now this is a formula a square minus b square. A square minus b square equals a plus b into a minus b. So y square y plus 2 into y minus 2 plus 5 y minus 2 equals 0. Now take y minus 2 common in both these terms. Y minus 2 y plus 2 plus 5 equals 0. That is y minus 2. So simplify this, y square plus 2y plus 5 equals 0. That is y minus 2 equals 0 or y square plus 2y plus 5 equals 0. That is y equals 2, and we'll solve this by quadratic formula. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 5. Therefore discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. That is b square, that is 2 square, 4 minus 4 into a1 into 5c. This is equal to 4 minus 4 under 4, 5 are 20. That this is less than 0. And we know if discriminant is less than 0, then real solution does not exist. Does not exist. So this statement is false. So y is equal to 2. Now substitute value of y, that is 2x. So 2 power x is equal to 2 or 2 power 1. Since bases are same in both sides, so powers are equal, that is x equal to 1. This is the solution. Now we'll verify this. To verify, in the equation was 2 power 3x plus 2x equal to 10. 2 power 3x is 1 plus 2 power x, that is 1, equal to 10. That is 2 power 3 plus 2 power 1, that is 2, equal to 10. That is 2 power 3 is equal to 8 plus 2 equals 10. That is 10 is equal to 10. Hence verified.